How to create a registration form for WordPress without coding with Bitforms. Let's begin. To create your first form, simply click on the Create First Form button. Here you choose what type of template to create. I choose a blank template. Now select what you want on your form. You can adjust the size of your form fields based on your requirements. You can change the label name and placeholder text. Here your registration form is ready without coding. Publish and copy the shortcode. Go to the Pages dashboard. Add a page. Enter the page name and paste the sort code. Publish it. View page. Let's submit the form. If you want, you can easily create a registration form on Bitform without any coding via drag and drop. Thanks for watching.